Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the details of the DB Electrical 430-21001 salt spreader, a versatile unit compatible with all Meyer models and a wide range of other brands like Arrowhead, Barsanco, and Meyers. This 12-volt salt spreader features a counter-clockwise rotation and is designed as a perfect replacement for numerous OEM numbers, ensuring seamless integration with your existing equipment. Built to meet OEM specifications, this 100% new aftermarket salt spreader is engineered for reliability and performance, making it an essential tool for winter maintenance. With a robust design, it replaces OEM numbers from brands like Dixie, EMS, and Meyer, among others, offering you peace of mind with its 1-year warranty. Whether you're dealing with light-duty or heavy-duty tasks, this salt spreader is built to handle them all, providing consistent performance when you need it most. Don't let winter catch you off guard. Equip yourself with the DB Electrical 430-21001 and experience the difference in efficiency and reliability. Stay tuned for more product insights and reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.